Hi students, welcome. So today we are discussing about how to solve the problem of projection of lines. Our problem is the distance between the projectors of 2 points P and Q is 60 mm. Point P is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The point Q is 45 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Find the shortest distance between the P and Q by using the following methods. One is rotating line method, second one trapezoidal method. Also find the true inclination of the line PQ with HP and VP. This problem, what are the values are given? The distance between the projectors of 2 points P and Q. You know well, for example, all the problems we are started. For example, this is P dash P locus, true length. This is also true length, mix theta and pi. So this is locus of Q dash, locus of Q. So draw vertical line, made it arc, finally Q. Okay, so now this is draw vertical line, made it arc, that is Q dash. So this is the answer. So this is P projector and this is Q projector. So the distance between the projectors, clear? So in this problem, the distance between the projectors of 2 points P and Q is 60 mm. So the distance they given 60 mm, clear? So how to solve this problem means, you draw one XY, you draw one vertical line and another vertical line. The distance is 60 mm apart. So 60 mm apart. So the end P is 20 mm above HP. So 20 mm above HP end P and 15 mm in front of VP. This is 15 mm in front of VP P. So this is 20, this is 15 mm. You mention the dimensions as per the rules of dimensioning. Clear? And next, the point Q is 45 mm above HP. So here 45 mm above HP, this is Q dash. Clear? So this one is Q dash and another one is 35 in front of VP. 35 in front of VP here. This is Q. So P dash and P, we know that, and Q dash and Q, we know that the distance between the projectors is 60 mm apart. After that, we know this is a locus of P, this is locus of P dash, this one is locus of Q dash, this one is locus of Q, correct? So locus of Q dash, locus of P dash, locus of P, locus of Q, because the point Q, P dash, Q dash, like that. And next, so indirectly based on the given values, you know that P dash, Q dash, it is elevation length or front view length. So it makes an angle alpha. Now P and Q, this is top view length or plan length, it makes an angle beta. So indirectly EL, PL, alpha and beta they given. Good. So this problem, what we need, find the shortest distance between P and Q. So the shortest distance between 2 points is nothing but a straight line. So they are asking in this problem, what is the true length? True length PQ, caps P, caps Q, the distance how much they are asking. But now this is P dash, Q dash, it is nothing but a small letter and it is nothing but it is an image or projection, okay, of a given original caps PQ line. In this problem, how much PQ distance? Clear? So as per our procedure, so you know Q dash, you draw the projection lines, clear? So you know this is locus of Q dash, P dash, like this. P dash, Q dash as the radius, you draw one arc up to that locus of P dash, clear? So locus of Q dash line to locus of P dash line, you draw one arc, the radius is P dash Q dash, center is P dash. So this end you know well, it is Q2 front to dash. From here you draw one vertical line, that line where it is intersecting on the locus of Q, okay, that point is Q2, this one is locus of P. Now the line joining P and Q2, the line joining P, Q2, this is true length. In this problem they are asking to find the shortest distance, is nothing but true length. How much true length? Measure it. In same problem, inclination they are asking, find the true inclination. Therefore it is a top view, therefore the true length makes an angle at top view means pi. This is also how much angle you measure it. Similar procedure, PQ as the radius, P as the center, draw one arc, that arc where it is intersect on the locus of P, that point is Q1. From Q1 you draw one vertical line, that vertical line where it is intersecting on the locus of Q dash, this is Q1 dash. Clear? Then you join P dash Q1 dash, this is also true length, this true length is 100% same this and that. Now here the true length makes an angle with HP means theta value. So this is also how much you measure it. So as per the problem, what is the theta and what is the pi they are asking, find. So find it. And true length how much you measure it. Right. So that is over. It is the solution for our problem. Clear? But now this is the case 1. So it's nothing but it is a rotating a line method. It is rotating a line method because the lines are rotates from here to here rotating or here to here rotating, so the position will be changed. So rotating a line method is also called as or change of position method. Change of position method. So rotating a line method or change of position method, both are same. So it is case 1. In the same problem they are asking one more thing, trapezoidal method. So how to draw the trapezoidal method? Clear? So this is the first one. So we need true length how much? Okay, true length how much? Next method is trapezoidal method. As it is, you draw x, y, point P is how much distance? 20 mm above HP, 20 mm above HP, 15 mm in front of VP. Next, the distance between the projectors is 60 mm. So you draw 60 mm apart one line. So here 45 mm above HP, Q dash, and 35 mm in front of VP, Q. Clear? Right. So now this one is elevation length, this one is plan length. Okay, up to this same. Now by using trapezoidal method, very simple. You draw a line perpendicular to PL. So PL lines perpendicular line from P and from Q. The line is perpendicular. Similar case, P dash Q dash, that is elevation length, you draw a perpendicular line from P dash from Q Q dash, only perpendicular lines. You know well the end P is 20 mm above HP, 15 in front of VP. Next one is this side is end Q is 45 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. So take compass. So from XY to the top view distance, that is nothing but in front distance 15, no? So from here to here the distance P point from XY is 15. So that 15 you mark it from P dash in that perpendicular line, though this one. So this is P. So this distance how much? P dash to P is equal to XY to P, that is 15. Similarly, from XY to Q, the distance is 35. So this 35 distance you take it from Q dash to here. This is the distance is same 35. This and this both are equal. So this is 15. This and this both are equal. So now you join line. This one is true length. Clear? True length. So from P you draw one line parallel to elevation line, and that is nothing but P dash Q dash, line parallel to. So this angle is pi because you are taken from top view dimension. Therefore this one pi inclined to VP, pi distance. So this is P, this is Q. Similar procedure from XY to P dash, this 20 distance you take it, and from P to here this is 20, this is P. Next from XY to this 45 distance, XY to Q dash, this 45 distance you take it, okay, from Q you mark it 45. So this distance also 45. Clear? Now you join, this is Q. Now you join Q. This is true length. Clear? This is true length. So 100% both dimensions are same. Similarly, plan length, the direction, same lines parallel here from P. So this angle is nothing but theta because you are taken front view dimension, that is above HP distance. Therefore this is HP inclination angle, that is theta value. It is pi angle, this is theta angle. Clear? So this is the trapezoidal method. First one is rotating a line method, or also called as change of position method. Now this one is trapezoidal method. Clear? Right. Thank you.